Hello everyone. In this video, I'm gonna help you to log into Comcast account. Watch this video till the end. If you are new to this channel, hit thumbs up button and subscribe our channel. Click on bell icon so that you won't miss any upcoming videos of our channel. Let's get started with opening up any web browser in your PC. Now type comcast.com on the URL bar on the top of your screen and press enter. As soon as you do that, you will be directed to its official website. Press account button on the top right corner of the page and again press on sign in button. After tapping, another page will open with sign in box at right side of the page. Here you have to enter your email address, mobile number, or your username that you use to create your account. If you can't remember your username, you can click on Find Xfinity ID and here you can recover your username. And if you haven't created your account yet, you can click on Create a new Xfinity ID and create your own account. After entering your user ID, click on Let's Go button. After tapping on Let's Go button, you will be asked for your password. Enter your password correctly and there you will be able to log in into your account. I hope this video helped you to sign in to your account. If it did, don't forget to give the thumbs up and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.